Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable net worth tracking with Monarch Money. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable net worth tracking with Monarch Money, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Monarch Money website. Log into your Monarch Money account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Dashboard tab on the main menu. Click on the Dashboard tab to access your financial overview. In the dashboard, look for the Net Worth section. If the Net Worth feature is not visible, find the Add Account button. Click on Add Account to integrate your financial accounts. Select the type of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, or loans. Follow the prompts to securely log into each account. After you've linked your accounts, return to the dashboard. You should now see the Net Worth tracking option displayed. Click on the Net Worth widget to view your financial summary. Review the details, including assets and liabilities. Customize your net worth tracking by adjusting any settings as needed. Save your changes to ensure that your preferences are applied. Your net worth tracking is now enabled and ready for you to monitor. Regularly check back to see updates on your financial status. This simple setup will help you stay on top of your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.